Hello everyone, so for today's video I'm gonna cook this is palia in my own dialect, and in English this is better melon. It's called better melon because this is better. And I have the ingredient here: the onions, garlic, and the tomatoes. So eggs, and also the eggs. So let's start now. So ato na siyang slice guys. So let's slice like this. Dili ra nako siya pugaon kay ganahan ko pait. Pait-pait, ganahan ko pait-pait. Ganahan ko paliya nga pait. So first thing, this one we're gonna do gonna take off this one like this, like that. Yeah, it's easy. So I'm gonna slice this one into small pieces like this, like that. Kag ginagmayo ra nako siya kay para kuan dali ra siya maluto. Muna akong paborito, pait nga paliya, dili pugaon. So now I'm almost done guys. Almost done. So here we are, I'm done now. So I need to wash this one. Now I'm going to wash this one with cold water. Just make sure it's washed properly. So it's washed properly. So I'm gonna put this one here. Like that. Yeah. Make it sure it's. So we need to slice I need to slice the tomatoes. Yeah, like only like that. Yep. It's better there's a tomato so that the better melon will have a nice taste. Yeah, so this is the last one. The last one. Yeah, so here another one is this one, the garlic. Not much garlic, a little bit garlic. I will do like this so that it's easy. If I do like that, it's easy. It can peel quickly. Ano siya, dali ra siya kaayo. So nanauna na ko siya pag peel. So now I'm almost done. Slicing, I do it like that. It's not small that you can see. Yes, here. Just segregate in here. Ato siyang i-separate para pag prito siya magkuan tawag ani. So kanina pong onions. This is really small onions. This is a red onion, so better because this is vegetables. I cook the vegetables. It's not soup. If it's white onions, it's better soup. Yeah, like that. Okay. So now I'm done. Everything is here. The tomatoes, onions, and garlic. So now let's crack the six eggs. This one. Yeah, to make it so now it's here. We need to mix. And I don't know where is my. So I'll put the seasoning powder. Let's mix it together. Now we need to put the garlic and the onion. Mix it. And the tomato. Mix this one. Mix. So we need to put the bitter melon. Bitter. Bitter. B-I-T-E-E-R. It's bitter. So now let's mix together. Let's mix. So let's mix. Ito siyang i-mix. Para mukuan siya. Hinahinay na nato mix para dili siya musamot o ka. Para so at we need to close. So now let's check. Oh. So we need to put a little bit of seasoning powder. So now let's put a little bit of salt. Salt. That. Yeah. So we need to open again. We need to put the eggs. This one, the eggs in here, like that. Okay, like that. And then we need to mix. Mix it. Atong i-mix. Parang mo, lami siya. Mix na to. Nahinay man ang kalayit. Mix na to para kuan siya. Ma-mix siya maayo ang eggs. Now, let's taste, guys. Let's taste. So, this is the eggs, right? And, the bitter melon. Perfect. So, now, guys, let's taste, okay? Let's taste my cooking. So look at this, everything is here. Look at the eggs and the bitter melon is all together. Perfect. I can feel the bitterness and the smell of the eggs. Perfect. Thank you for watching.